Been raining for about an hour. It's not too bad yet, but condensation's building up in here. And I'm just sitting here listening to it rain. Just got a ride from Ashley over here. That saved me so much time. I am so much safer lower here down in elevation. She said the storm is definitely rolling in pretty soon. Even 7's down here. Maybe I'll just go try and hitchhike if I can. I really don't know. I don't know what I'm doing. In 32 miles down 87, there's a Motel 6. If I can hitchhike, it's just now noon, and get there for check-in at 3. It gives me 3 hours to go 32 miles and hitchhike. But then I gotta spend money on the hotel room. I'm not sure if I want to do that. I can just camp out here. Here we go. Let's see if this works. 3 hours, see if I can make it 30 miles. So that truck there, heading down the road, just gave me a ride for 15 miles. I am halfway to the hotel room. That's where I'm gonna go. They actually said the storm is gonna start at 3 o'clock. So trying to get a little closer into Mesa. It doesn't feel as cold here at all. The wind is so much nicer on my legs. I do not think I'm gonna have as much luck over here. This is Mesa, Arizona. Here. It only took about an hour of hitchhiking and I made it to the hotel and then I crashed really hard. My body completely needed it. I was exhausted. So, morning, there's a Greyhound station right next door with a bus that goes to Superior at 8:40. I hope. Because it didn't show up yesterday and there was a guy out there complaining. But here we go. Bus to Superior. So this is Superior. I'm not sure what I'm doing. I have a tent being mailed to a trail angel, but even on the fastest shipping, it won't get here for a few days. So I might just be hanging out in Superior or in the surrounding desert for a couple days.